Welcome back. I'm going to hand hold the camera on this one again. We're running out of time, so we're doing it a little differently. Show you how far we got back. I'm always scanning them. That's all we have time to do. I can't show them one by one. If they're in the cases, you're going to kind of have to guess what's in them. This is going to be a very short video. We're running short on time. I'll try to scan them slowly. These are all parts machines. We determined there's only 3 here and this time that we pulled away. And we got a few in cases. And I'll just show a couple of these. Thanks for watching.